What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. So as you can tell from the title that I'm going to be doing a video on how to grow thicker full eyebrows naturally. And of course, if you guys want to see my tips that I'm going to be giving you guys, of course you have to continue to watch the video. But first off, before we get ahead into it, I am going to apologize for any noise that you guys hear outside. I do apologize for that. I have some very loud talking people in the next room, so again I apologize. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get into this video. Okay, so first tip number one, to grow your eyebrows. First thing you want to do is, of course, you want to slow down on the waxing. If you get your eyebrows waxed, you want to minimize that or not do it at all. I mean, whichever one is best for you. I haven't got my eyebrows waxed in some months, maybe, or whatever. I think it's been like a couple months since the last time I actually waxed my eyebrows, but I have noticed, of course, that they have been thinning. Like, you can't tell now, but on this one here, I don't really have a tail on it or whatever. You can't tell because the way I did my eyebrows, which I will do an eyebrow routine on how I do my eyebrows right now currently at the moment, which I do very little to them. But yeah, you want to just minimize on the tweezing, the waxing, whatever it is that you do your eyebrows. You want to do it very little. So yeah, so tip number two is, for me, I feel like, of course, hair vitamins, anything. You can go to get some biotin pills from biotin vitamins from Target, Walmart, CVS, wherever, they sell them pretty much any drugstore or whatever like that. You can get you some biotin or any other kind of vitamins that say hair, skin, and nails on them. Those will work. Yeah, so you can get some hair vitamins, get some biotins, get some the hair, skin, and nail gummies they sell. I know they have them at Walmart and Target. Any one of those will work. Whichever one that you want to take. You don't necessarily have to go and get Sugar Bear or Hair Affinity or some regular biotins or biotins for hair, skin, and nails too. But you need to have those vitamins that actually say hair, skin, and nails on them. Whichever one you want to do is fine. Just some hair vitamins. So moving on to tip number three. So tip number three, castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil, regular castor oil, whatever, they both will work. In the past, I have used just plain castor oil by itself. I've seen many YouTube videos when I first started, wanting to grow my eyebrows thicker. Of course, a lot of them say castor oil works, and castor oil do work. I put them on my eyebrows at night, of course, like after I do my nighttime routine. I would put the castor oil on my eyebrows. I would just use a spoolie. You can get the disposable spoolies, of course. I would just use that and just brush them through my eyebrows or whatever. I actually use them on my eyelashes too. Of course, it'll grow out both. Looking at my eyelashes, I think my eyelashes messed up. Ooh. Anyway, so yeah, it'll work for your eyelashes too. Actually, these tips are pretty good for working with your eyelashes. If you want to grow your eyelashes thick as well, just some castor oil, spoolie, top, bottom, boom, and of course, just use them until you start to see the result that you are looking for. You don't have to stop doing it. It's not going to do any harm if you continue to use it. But castor oil, get you some. You can go to Walmart, Target, any drugstore, Amazon, of course. You can get anything on Amazon. I love Amazon. So yeah. So moving on to step number four. Tip number four is aloe vera. I love aloe vera. For me, I actually go and I get the aloe vera leaf. I wish I had one to show you guys, but I actually just used it. It was just like a couple of days ago. I actually used it on my hair. I use aloe vera for a lot of things. I use it on my skin. I use it on my hair, my eyebrows, my eyelashes. You can use it for any and everything. You can eat it. It's not going to do any harm. Aloe vera, you know, like I said, I get the aloe vera leaf, I cut it, and then I scrape the gel out of it, and I blend it up, and I use it that way. Or you can go to Walmart, Target, any drugstore. Of course, they carry aloe vera gel in the bottle. It will work the same. I've seen and heard people say that they use the actual aloe vera gel that you buy out of the store. It'll be in the pharmacy area pretty much. If you go to, like, I know, Walmart, Target, any drugstore or whatever, you can get it there. Or you can go to Amazon, of course. Amazon, you get anything on Amazon that you want to get. But yes, aloe vera is really good, and it works really good for me when I grew mine out. Again, you can use them on your eyelashes as well. It will not do any harm to anything. It's strictly, like, it's really good for your body. It's really good for your skin. It's good for everything. So yeah, moving on to the last step, which is step number 5. So tip number five is something that you do not have to do. Tip number 5 actually is my little mixture of things that I put together that I've used in the past. Like I said, when I grew my eyebrows to be thicker before, it's just some things that I put together that, of course, work for me, and I am using as of today. I'll probably do a video. I'll do a video on how I actually do it, but of course I'm just going to tell you guys how I make it. Basically what I do, I bought the little tube that comes with the spoolie. I actually bought it from shopmissa.com. If you don't know about shopmissa.com, I will leave the link down below. They have some bomb stuff on there. Everything is literally $1 on their website. They have some bomb beauty sponges. Oh my gosh, some bomb beauty sponges on there for $1. And I got the little tube with the spool that comes with the spoolie in it. I got it from shopmissa.com. Again, it was only $1. But you don't have to use that. You can use just any little bottle that you want to use. Maybe you have something lying around the house, or you can go to Walmart or Target, go to the travel size section, maybe put it in, you know, those little travel size bottles or whatever you want to do to use it. So basically what I do, what I mix together, of course, I take some aloe vera, the gel from aloe vera. Again, I use the aloe vera leaf, but you can get the gel that's already done up at the store, Walmart, or whatever, you know. I use aloe vera gel, gel from the aloe vera leaf, or again, you know, the aloe vera gel, you can get it from drugstore, Walmart, or whatever, Amazon. And then I take that and I cut it up. I blend it into a blender, and then while I blend it, after I blend it up, I take some castor oil and I will put in about like a tablespoon of castor oil, and then I will do a tablespoon of vitamin E oil as well, along with some sweet almond oil, and I will mix those up together. Just mix it all up into a bowl or whatever I pour it into. But either way, I don't take very much because, like I said, I put it into a little tube or whatever. But you can use anything that you want to use and just mix it up. I mix it up, and then I just take a spoolie, of course, after I do my nighttime routine, or sometimes I use it in the mornings as well. I actually use it in the morning a lot. I don't wear makeup all the time, so when I'm not wearing makeup, of course, and I'll put it on, but I would even still put it on even when I do wear my makeup. And, you know, I would take it on the spoolie, put it on my eyebrows, and then I take it and I put it on my eyelashes as well. And it's a pretty good mixture that I like to do, but you can take anything you want to. You don't necessarily have to use those particular things to use it on your eyebrows. I've seen videos on people using many different things to, you know, have their eyebrows grow thicker and fuller. You know, I've seen people say that they use Vaseline. I've seen people say that they use lemon, milk, you know, different things. I've never even tried any of those things on my eyebrows. I don't know, I probably will never try it because I know those things that I just mentioned, those tips and all that I just mentioned to you guys, it worked for me and it's still working for me. So I'm going to continue to use it. So, I mean, you guys, of course, can do whatever is best for you. I just want to give you guys tips on what I do that I know that works. And, again, you know, you do what's best for you. But that was my tips on how to get some fuller, thicker eyebrows, even eyelashes. You know, it'll work for both. So yeah, of course, again, I will leave them down below as well. And so if you have made it to the end of this video, I do thank you guys for watching. And of course, if you want to see more videos from me, more tips on just any and everything, of course, you do have to subscribe to my channel. And not only that, but thumbs up this video, and don't forget to follow me on social media if you want to. You don't have to, but I would love for you guys to do that as well. Whatever, it doesn't matter. But again, so yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.